Hey Central Florida, happy summer days. The sun is switch modes to extra crispy today, but I'm not sweating it. I'm Chris Kapp with Luker & Co.
And I'm Becky Weeks, also with Luker & Co. And today we're showing you a home that honestly feels like it has everything.
I mean, seriously. Quartz countertops, Burberry carpet, French doors, wood look like a tile, slate tile lanai, under the stairs studio apartment for your holiday decorations that could double as a timeout room for naughty children or husbands.
2 ACU units.
A sandbox that wants to be a garden when it grows up. A paver patio ready for you to grill. No popcorn ceilings, which is a weird thing to be excited about, but here we are.
And let's not forget the dual walk-in closets in the primary suite, the updated bathrooms, and a kitchen backsplash with a herringbone pattern that is so sharp it could slice your stress in half.
It's like the homeowner said, I'll take this and I'll take that and a little bit of that too. And they just kept on going.
All right, come see for yourself. Let's walk through this Lake Mary beauty and see just how much everything really is.
Grab your snacks, silence your group texts, and get ready, because this Lake Mary gem might just steal your heart. Look, I just found another cabinet and a wine bar. This house has everything. I wouldn't be surprised if there's a secret wine cellar under the lawnmower.
If there is, you're buying this house.
Fair enough, but seriously, whether it's the custom finishes, the space, the natural light, or the killer location in Lake Mary, this home checks every box. And then invents some new ones just for you to check that one too.
So, if you're ready for a home that truly has everything, except maybe popcorn ceilings and bad vibes, schedule your private showing with us today.
Links in the description, and don't forget to like and subscribe below to get your free relocation package to the area. And hey, bring a measuring tape. You're gonna wanna start planning where your stuff goes. I know exactly where to put that double tack kegerator. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you at the next tour.